Hi, everybody. I hope you bear with me because this is my first attempt at making a YouTube video. I decided to make this video for those of us who enjoy our classic Jaguar XJ8s, mostly between the years of 98 and 2003, and that have been frustrated in trying to figure out where to put your cell phone holder. I have been going over this and over this for weeks, sometimes months, trying to figure out where to put it. I didn't want to put it on the dash because I didn't want to ruin the top of the dashboard with the sticky stuff that you put on there. And I didn't want to put it in the vents because anybody who's had an XJ8 knows that it doesn't take much to loosen up those fins. And next thing you know, they come out of their little notches and they're flopping all over. So one day I had been cleaning the dashboard, and I decided to take a piece of cardboard like this and just stick it in here to see how far back it would go. And then I marked it with a pen and then looked at it and thought, well, that might be good enough to hold something there. And then, of course, putting it in like that was a little loose. So then I doubled it, stuck it in, and it was just the right size, which just happened to turn out to be 3/16 of an inch. A quarter was too much, an eighth was too loose. So then I tried to figure out what I was going to put in there. So we have a store here in my area called Tap Plastics, who has a vast array of acrylic boards and plastic materials to use. And I went in there and told them what I was doing. And they says, well, why don't you just go to our scrap bin, which I did. The scrap bin, actually, the bins were marked according to size and thickness. I actually found a 3/16 inch piece of acrylic. And this is it. You could see that it's smooth on one side, textured on the other, which I figured would cause, help in case there was any slippage. And cut it to the correct size, which is 2 inches wide and 2 3/4 inches long. So also sanded the edge, so it wouldn't be so sharp. And then I gently pushed it in under the burlwood, and that thing's not moving. And I thought, well, that's half the battle. So then I went on Amazon and for $9 purchased this cell phone holder, which is a cell phone holder for the vent. And these clasps here just happen to be exactly for a 3/16 inch. And all I did was just slip that over like that. And then in goes the phone. And I have a cell phone holder that I've taken over the bumpiest dirt roads I can find, and that thing will not move. And it also allows me to use the charger and also the headphone jack if I want to use an auxiliary cassette Bluetooth adapter, so that when I'm using Google Maps, it comes through the speakers. So that's my video on this. I know there's some other people that have videos that use the cassette deck, but for me, that was looking down too far away from the road. This way up here, you're not looking much farther than you would if you had it on the vent. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please press the like button. And thank you for watching.